What's up everybody, welcome back to another video, and this is an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for every time I upload a video. And now it's time for the main attraction. I'm not going to go into too much details about the specs and stuff. If you're going to buy a Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus, you already know what the specs are, or you have some type of idea of what you're gonna get. So I'm not gonna go into deep details, but the model that I have is the 256 gig and 12 gigs of RAM, Snapdragon 855. You already know. So yes, for those of you who really want the specs, I'll leave a little list on the left side of the screen with the specifications of this device. As you can see, this is your typical Samsung unboxing. We have the 25-watt charger with the brick. You have the USB Type-C earpiece, which is new. We have the OTG cable and the S Pen tip remover. I'm going to test out the charging speed of the 25-watt charger, and I'm also going to purchase the super fast 45-watt charger. And I'm going to test out both of those chargers and see, but that's for a future video, so stay tuned for that. That's everything that's included in the box. I'm going to put in my information, set up the phone, and I'll be back to show you guys how everything looks. Alright guys, I'm back after setting up the phone and restoring my data. And I've been playing with the phone for a little while, just messing with the settings and stuff like that. And guys, I have to tell you guys that this is the best phone in the world. I swear. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just messing with y'all. This is not the best phone in the world, but it's pretty darn close. It's not the best phone, it's pretty darn close. If you have a Note 9, you're not missing out. If you have an S10 Plus, S10, S10e, you're not missing out that much. Like the only people that should have this phone, I feel like that should upgrade to this phone, are like hardcore Galaxy Note fans, like me. It's not much of an upgrade from the Note 9. It's not that big of an upgrade, but because I'm a fan of the Note and I feel like I gotta have the latest one, that's why I have this one. So, you're not missing out from the Note 9, like I said, or the S10 series. This is not that much of an upgrade to make you upgrade. But like I said, if you're a fan, go ahead and do that because that's what fans do. Alright guys, I'm not going to put too much into this video because this is just an unboxing video, but I'm going to use this phone for a couple of weeks, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and I will be back with my real thoughts and a real review of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. If you took the time to watch this video, I appreciate you. I thank you. Again, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I really need the support. I appreciate it. Turn on notifications for every time I upload a video, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.